be fixing slime. So as you can see, it's like ruined. So what you're going to want to do is get a warmish water, and you're going to come over here, put a little bit in your hand, like rinse it out while it's in your hand. So in order to rinse it out, it's going to be really slippery, but you're going to want to squeeze it, get all the water out, and then it's not stringy. It's not that stretchy, but if you add lotion, it will be. But if you have a problem with ruined slime, you're going to want to add water and then add lotion. But that will be a part of our activator. So keep stretching and just mixing it. And then there you have your slime. But you're going to want to add lotion if you want it stretchier. Shaving cream or mousse works. So thanks for watching this video. Bye!